Have you ever wondered why airlines keep ordering airplanes years before they actually need them? Well, Boeing has just given us another perfect example. The American aircraft manufacturer has secured one of its biggest orders of the year, an incredible 102 Boeing 737 MAX aircraft. But there's one fascinating detail. Nobody knows who bought them. The customer remains officially undisclosed. Today, we'll look at what this mystery order means, why it's so important for Boeing, and why airlines are racing to secure production slots before they disappear. Let's get started. According to Boeing's June 2026 orders and deliveries report, the company recorded 121 gross commercial aircraft orders during the month. The overwhelming majority came from a single aircraft family, the Boeing 737 MAX. Out of those 121 aircraft, 108 were 737 MAX jets, with 102 of them belonging to one single unidentified customer. If you're wondering why Boeing hasn't revealed the buyer, that's actually very common in the aviation industry. Many airlines and aircraft leasing companies prefer to keep new deals confidential until financing is finalized or until they're ready to announce their future fleet plans. Eventually, Boeing will update its order book and reveal exactly who purchased these aircraft. Until then, the aviation community will continue trying to figure out who the mystery customer is. And given the size of this order, there will certainly be plenty of speculation. Now, let's talk about why this order is such a big deal. A purchase of more than 100 aircraft is significant for any manufacturer. But for Boeing, it carries even greater importance. The 737 MAX has experienced one of the most difficult chapters in aviation history. Following two tragic accidents, the aircraft was grounded worldwide. Production slowed dramatically. Certification requirements became much stricter. Quality control came under intense scrutiny. And Boeing faced years of rebuilding trust with regulators, airlines, and the flying public. Despite all of that, airlines continue ordering the aircraft in very large numbers. That tells us something important. The aviation industry still has tremendous confidence in the long-term future of the 737 MAX. Airlines continue to see it as one of the most efficient and economical aircraft available for short and medium-haul routes. And demand simply isn't slowing down. Of course, selling airplanes is only part of Boeing's challenge. Building them is another story entirely. Following June's orders, Boeing's commercial aircraft backlog increased from approximately 6,178 aircraft to more than 6,200 aircraft. Think about that for a moment. Even though Boeing is delivering aircraft every single month, new orders are still arriving faster than airplanes are leaving the factory. That means the waiting list continues to grow. For airlines, this creates a race against time. If an airline wants new aircraft later this decade, it often has to place an order today. Production slots have become incredibly valuable. Some airlines are willing to wait years simply to secure their place in Boeing's production schedule. Boeing has been working hard to increase production of the 737 MAX. However, the company still isn't producing aircraft as quickly as it would like. Following the quality control issues that made headlines over the past year, the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration has been closely monitoring Boeing's manufacturing process. That means production increases have to happen carefully. Boeing can't simply double output overnight. Instead, it needs to demonstrate consistent quality while gradually increasing production rates. Until that happens, the backlog is likely to continue growing. And with global air travel continuing to recover, airlines simply can't get enough new aircraft. The 737 MAX wasn't Boeing's only success story during June. Aircraft leasing company Aviation Capital Group also placed an order for 6 additional 737 MAX aircraft. While much smaller than the mystery order, it reinforces the confidence that leasing companies continue to have in the aircraft. There was also an interesting order involving the older Boeing 737 Next Generation, commonly known as the 737NG. Rather than carrying passengers, this aircraft will be converted into a military surveillance platform by Boeing Defense, Space, and Security. It's another reminder that even older passenger aircraft often enjoy long second careers in military and government service. June also brought encouraging news for Boeing's wide-body aircraft. China Southern Airlines ordered Boeing's future 777-8 freighter, while China Airlines ordered two current-generation 777 freighters. Those two aircraft may sound similar, but they're actually quite different. The existing 777 freighter is already in production and can be delivered much sooner. The 777-8 freighter, on the other hand, is still under development. Its future depends heavily on the certification of the delayed Boeing 777-9. Even after the 777-9 receives certification, the freighter will still have to complete its own approval process before entering commercial service. That means airlines needing additional cargo aircraft today are still choosing the current generation freighter while they wait for Boeing's next generation model. Not everything was positive during the month. Boeing also reported 8 cancellations involving the 737 MAX. Cancellations happen regularly in the aviation industry and are not necessarily unusual. However, another number attracted even more attention. The manufacturer transferred 25 aircraft orders into what's known as the ASC 606 accounting bucket. This accounting category is reserved for orders that Boeing no longer believes are highly likely to be completed. The aircraft remain listed for accounting purposes, but Boeing recognizes that there's significant uncertainty surrounding those deals. There are many reasons this can happen. An airline may experience financial difficulties. A leasing company may change its investment strategy, or negotiations may simply collapse before final contracts are signed. It's a way for Boeing to present investors with a more realistic view of its future order book. Overall, Boeing's June performance paints a very clear picture. Demand for new aircraft remains exceptionally strong. Customers continue placing large orders. The backlog continues to grow. But production remains Boeing's biggest challenge. Until the company can consistently increase manufacturing while maintaining quality, airlines will continue facing long delivery delays. For Boeing, success over the next several years won't simply depend on selling more airplanes. It will depend on delivering them, and delivering them on time. So what do you think? Who do you believe is behind this mystery order for 102 Boeing 737 MAX aircraft? Could it be one of the world's biggest airlines? A major leasing company? Or perhaps someone completely unexpected? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Travel Deck, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest aviation news from around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.